Hi everyone, this is Pamela and welcome to my channel. So continuing with the series today, which is going to address of setting goals. And this is really important, it's what I want, but being able to make a good planning so that you can achieve them. So if you want to know more, just stay tuned. So setting clear goals is critical part of self-development journey because it gives you direction, motivation, and a way to measure your progress. So number one, define what you truly want. Align with your values. The goals should reflect what truly matters to you, not what others expect. They should be tied to your personal values and desires. Specificity. Be as specific as possible about what you want to achieve. Vague goals is like, I want to be successful. Don't provide a clear direction. Instead, try something like, I want to become certified project manager within the next 12 months. Something like that. Number two, use the SMART framework. A popular method for setting clear goals is the SMART criteria. Specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Example, I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising 3 times a week and following a healthy diet. Measurable. Include a way to measure your progress. This could be tracking time, money, or a specific achievements. Attainable. Set realistic goals that challenge you but are within reach. Stretch goals are great, but don't set yourself up for failure. Relevant. Ensure the goal is meaningful and relevant to your larger life goals. Time bound. Set a deadline. This creates a sense of urgency and helps keep you focused. For example, I will learn a new skill by taking a course the last 6 months. Number three, break down big goals. Divide into smaller steps. Break big, long-term goals into smaller, manageable tasks, and this prevents overwhelm and makes progress more achievable. Create milestones. Set milestones along the way to track progress. For instance, if your goal is to write a book, your milestones could include outlining the book, writing one chapter at a time, and finishing a draft by a set date. There is so much more to address here. So the next week, I'm going to address the second part of setting goals. This is relevant as it is not only important to know what you want, but the plan that you need to take in order for you to reach them. Compromise with yourself and being able to take action towards it. So if you like the video, I would like you to subscribe into my channel, to give me a like if you haven't done it yet, and especially to share it to somebody that you think that might actually need it. And as I always say, I do this with all my heart, and see you the next time. Bye bye.